Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has hailed the merger as a historic milestone, expressing his gratitude to the new members and underscoring the importance of the decision to join the NPP. Sangma also dismissed allegations by Congress Chief Vincent H. Pala that the NPP used illegal money to lower the MLAs, stating that the merger was motivated solely by developmental goals for the constituencies involved. This development is likely to reshape the political landscape in Meghalaya, potentially leading to new electoral strategies and alliances as the NPP strengthens its position to push forward its policy agenda and development projects across the state.
We thank the leaders who have joined us today and merged into the National People's Party. Whatever the MPCC president MPCC president is saying are his personal opinions. I have no comments about it, which are in fact completely untrue. And whatever decision we have arrived at has been purely driven by developmental aspect and developmental packages for the constituency of the respective entities.